Today let us learn about globe, longitudes, latitudes and grid pattern. A, a globe is the three diametrical models of the earth. It shows oceans, continents and important irregular lines. A prime meridian is the main longitude. It is marked as 0 degrees. Are divided the earth into two hemispheres, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The imaginary lines which are drawn from east to west are called latitudes. The equator is the important lines that are called latitudes. Divide the earth into northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Some important of latitudes are the cir- Ar- Ar- Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, U- Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, and the Antarctica Circle.